My dearest Beb, 11 years ago, hindi ko malaman kung ano ba plano ni Lord sa akin. Sobrang gulo and hindi ko maintindihan. And I felt so alone that time. And so I prayed and asked God for a girlfriend. And then you came into my life.
To my ride or die. You have been such a great source of courage and strength for me. Whenever I failed to see any good in me, you somehow saw the best. You've been my biggest cheerleader, even during the times I only felt doubt. Thank you for loving all of me, including the not-so-pretty parts. Thank you for loving me when I was unlovable, when loving me became difficult. Most of all, thank you for loving Mama sincerely the way that you do. You have no idea how much that means to me and how happy I am because I know Mama does not only have a daughter now, but a loving son.
Everything has changed since then. I became more mature because of you. I became more self-aware because of you. I became more responsible and a lot more because of you.
Your feet, these sights to see, rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. Take it in, we got no plans. Good things come to those who can. Live moment to moment and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. So look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know, taking a long way. You and
I will love you always, although imperfectly but sincerely. I promise to keep going, to keep working on us even during times when giving up is the easier option. I vow to stand by you, to witness your wins, to help you rise up from losses, and to hold your hand and guide you when you feel lost. We've made each other better, that I'm sure. We've grown so much but also suffered and survived a lot together.
yesterday. Look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know, taking a long way. You and I were born to roll. Look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know, taking a long way. You and I were born to roll.
I truly believe God put you in my life because He knew what I needed even before I realized it. I used to give up on things so easily that even I stopped believing in myself. But you never stopped. You had faith in me, faith that never wavered. And for that, I'm forever grateful.
I promise you that I will be a good husband and a good father to our future children. I promise you that I will stand by your side sa lahat ng bagay. I promise you na even if the journey is hard, I will do everything para gumaan lahat and will always have the Lord's guidance in our relationship.
You are the only person I would love to experience all the highs and lows of life with. You are not just my partner, but also my best friend. I love you so much, and I promise to keep that love alive. I'm excited to live life every day with you.
I'm excited to start this journey with you, my wife, and face all the challenges that fate may bring us. As I have always said to you, walang mabigat na pagsubok o problema kapag kasama kita. I love you so much, my dearest Beb, and now, my wife. I love you so much.